Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we're at Basingstoke Country Hotel. Now, from the outside, this hotel looks amazing. It's part of the Britannia chains, voted one of the worst hotel chains in the UK. And we're going to see if this one lives up to its reputation. It's had some relatively bad reviews. In fact, let me read out a few of them. Most disgusting hotel I've ever been to. The hotel was filthy, run down, had no sense of atmosphere at all. I was ever so disappointed and we avoided coming back at the bedroom until very late. If I could give it 0 stars, I would. This has to be the worst hotel I've ever stayed in. Room is right above the kitchen, noise unbearable, stinks, and there's stains all over the walls. The hotel is diabolical in every respect. No shower, taps, broken mould on windows, terrible. Terrible hotel, extremely suffocating and claustrophobic. Now I haven't checked in yet, but I'm going to check in and I have a surprise room, meaning I'm going to have a room allocated to me, which is interesting. So I don't really know if I'm going to get a double room, single room, but hey, let's come and check it out. May even be a suite. How cool would that be? As you can see from the outside, this place looks lovely. It is very country, and yeah, you got a nice seating area here, which is quite nice. You can hear the cars because we are near a fast moving road, so do bear that in mind. I tried walking here, it wasn't the best idea. In fact, I got a lift, which was very nice. I'm very impressed. This is very welcoming and very homely, and I like this style as well. Very nice. Here we go.
Hello.
I'm very early.
I can't check you in just yet because they haven't done their final room inspection.
No
But
worries.
You're welcome to have a seat in our bar area.
Yeah, that's fine. Is the earliest you can check in at 4 or
It's 4,
4
yeah.
o'clock? No worries.
I mean,
Just because I walked it and then I ended up getting a lift by a postman because there was there was no public footpath from where I was.
yeah.
Is there a bus that gets you back to the station?
Yes, there is. So it's literally opposite on the other side of the road.
Yeah. This is the dining room where you get your food, get your drinks. Everything seems all set up for later. Just give me the ball. Get in. That's getting old now. And then from the pool area, it looks like we've got a city poster of New York. Very nice. And what I can only say is a sun trap. Wow. Okay, this is lovely. A nice place to come and sit down, have a grab of tea, have a coffee, have some food. There is nothing wrong with this. This is lovely. It looks like there's 2 parts to the hotel, obviously. So you got this side, then you got this side. It's all connected. Lovely sitting area. Very nice. Might just be me, but more than happy sitting here with a cup of tea or a coffee. Very British. And especially in the sun, it seems like a really good sun trap as well. And again, this location is lovely. Let's continue the tour this way. Oh, we got the elite venue. Oh, so we got health and leisure. So I presume this is where the gym will be. Let's go and check it out. Quick there because they were playing music and YouTube doesn't like music too much. So the gym looks very nice and it overlooks the swimming pool as well, but I think that's closed. So it is there, it does look very nice. In fact, I'll put a picture of what it looks like here. So already, even though it's a Britannia hotel and we have these random chairs every now and then, it's very nice and welcoming. In fact, it smells really nice, smells really clean, and it doesn't have that heat from the other Royal Britannia chains that I've stayed in, such as Royal Bath, for example. But it does get longer, so it feels like a maze. Oh, going to a colour change, so we went from light to dark. So more bedrooms that way, and go this way. Do stay because we'll be checking out the room as well. And if you want to see that and what room I'm going to be putting, you want to stick around. Okay. Cool little floor. These doors are very nice, very clean, very well kept. And again, you can't deny where we are. This is lovely. You can, I'm guessing there's a nice footpath out here. You can have a little stroll, take your dog. It's all well kept. The lawn is lovely. And I think I've missed it. We got a game of bowls. So if we go in here quickly, got the snooker table. But we also got wine glasses. Do like a red wine. And I don't know if this is a red carpet for weddings or bowls. Let me know in the comments what this is. So that was a quick tour of the hotel, and right away I think it's very nice. So don't worry, we'll check out the room next. Okay, all checked in. We're in room 258. It's in this direction. I think I've gone the wrong way already. Gone the wrong way. Now, I don't know if it's outside or inside. Oh, hang on. So 250 is that way, 279. So it must be. Oh, here we go, 250. Let's go this way. I missed it. That's my fault. That is completely my fault. That's a cool little painting. $250, 251. Smells very clean, which is very nice. It's always a nice thing, isn't it, when it smells nice and clean. It smells like the ibis, actually. There we go, 258. Didn't have to walk that far. Boom. Okay. First impressions, the room is well lit and I like it a lot. And I'm going to take you around right now. So obviously first impressions are not too bad at all. That is until you look at the floor, and I'll show you the floor in just a moment because it's not particularly pleasant. But I'll give you a tour of the rest of the room. Now, when I originally booked this room, I didn't know if I was going to get a single room or a double room. So I'm pleasantly surprised that it is, in fact, a double room, and it's relatively spacious, which is pretty cool. So I'm not too sure why I couldn't select. I think it was just they had limited options maybe, but hey ho, it is what it is, and I like it so far. Okay, as you walk in, we have a separate spring bed. Now, I used to have these at my nan's, which was, they're very comfortable. They don't look it, but I find these quite comfortable. So if you've got a friend staying over or more than 2 people, hey, you can stay on this. There is a blatantly big wardrobe here, and I will be checking it out right now. So let's see what's inside. So we have some spare towels. We have the all-important hairdryer, happy days. We have an iron to complement the ironing board, and we also have some very cool and very posh coat hangers, including some more bedding. So yeah, not too bad. They've used the space well. The bathroom's just there. We'll check that out later when I can figure out where the light switch is. But let's continue this way. So first things first, we have a chair and we have a desk. Very nice. What I do like, however, and I like all hotels to have, are biscuits. Now, I don't know about you, but I love ginger biscuits, so they obviously know me very well because, hey ho, I've got some ginger snap biscuits. Let me know in the comments what you like, digestives or ginger biscuits. I kind of like them both. And then we've got some amenities. So we have our cups and our teaspoons. Are these clean? They are. What did I just touch? So I've got, what's that on my finger? I'm not too sure what that is, but I've just touched it and it's, I don't know if it's mayonnaise or sauerkraut. I don't know what that is. That's not very nice. So besides whatever that mayo substance is, the spoons have some gruggy marks on them. The cups look okay, so they're cool. They're on a coaster thing, can't complain. Yeah, so other than whatever that is, it's not too bad. And we do have a good selection of teas, Earl Grey, green, berry, sugars, coffees, all the things you need in the morning, a cup of coffee. Then we have our kettle. What's this like? Looking pretty good, looking pretty good. Glasses for water, happy days. And then a TV remote. Does the TV work? Moment of truth. Does it work? Any second now. Yes, okay, it does work. It just takes a moment to load. The ironing board is a bit gruggy. You can see like some weird stains and marks, and yeah, it's a bit old and tattered. We do have early booking offer for breakfast and dinner. So dinner is $14.95 and you can have a 3-course meal. The food does look quite nice as well, and for $9.95 you can have a good old breakfast. What have we got in here then? So we have a Bible, we have more storage, a bin. So as I said, with the floor, it doesn't look particularly pleasant. There's marks here, there's marks here. In fact, they're all over the place, all over the room. I don't know what this thing is. It looks like ketchup or something. And then next to the bed, we've got more stains on the floor. Do have some cool lamps. Happy days. So we've got 2 of those. There's a mirror as always. So hello, hope you're doing well. Just make sure if you like this video to hit that subscribe button and give me a like. It helps me out massively. Then coming on to this section, it looks like we've got damp across here. So I don't know what's above, or maybe it just gets very cold. Little information desk, which is pretty cool. Some drawers for extra storage. Then we've got the radiator, which has some marks on it, which just doesn't look very nice. But the view is, I can't complain. I mean, on a nice day, you know, out and about, happy days. I don't know if you can see that, looks like mold on the curtains. Okay, it's not very nice. The curtains are relatively clean. There's a few stains on them, but they're quite nice. They're very thick and heavy, so yeah. The wallpaper's quite cool. Got some plantation kind of theme going on, but there's more grubby marks. I don't know what that is, but that doesn't look. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. There's marks all over. I know what you're saying, Matt. Just do the bed test already. Don't worry, we'll do that now. Come on. It's very bouncy. That's what I will say. It is very bouncy. But comfortable. These cushions are very nice. I've not checked the bed, obviously. I've had a lay on it and it's very nice, but there could be some hidden surprises, who knows. This cushion, very nice. It's very comfortable, no complaints. These pillows, again, there's a big stain on the pillow. Lovely. Always like a good stain. But I've checked the inside of the pillow and it's nice. It's very clean. What about the other one? How is that doing? Yeah, that looks pretty good as well. Cool. So, I mean, other than a little stain on this, the pillows are fine. But what about underneath, I hear you say? Well, don't worry, I'm going to check. So we've got a thin kind of summer duvet. Very cool. And very clean bed. Very clean. So we've got a sheet, and then we do have a mattress protector, which is cool. Obviously there's some marks in it, but I don't think... obviously there's some marks in it, but I think we all have marks and stuff on our mattress protectors. Could be wrong. And a very old and tired looking mattress that's seen better days. I don't know what it is about Britannia hotels in general, unless other hotels do the same thing, but they join 2 beds together to create the illusion that it is a double bed, which is interesting. So maybe it's just this hotel, maybe it is other chains. Let me know in the comments. Any monsters underneath? No, we are good. I do like this. It's got some more marks in it though, which is a bit annoying, but other than that, it can't really complain much. The bed looks relatively clean, so happy days. And then we've got the headboard, which is, oh, what? I was just saying the bed looks alright, but that doesn't look particularly pleasant either. But yeah, the headboard is a wooden headboard. Again, very sharp corners, which I don't like, especially if you're a wriggler and you knock yourself one of those, that could be painful. Nice nighttime lamp. We have a nice bedside lamp. Does it work? That's not a good sign, unless... So the bedside lamp doesn't work. Great. There's another one next to me, so shall I try that? But that doesn't work either. So both bedside lamps don't work unless there's a switch that I've not seen, which I can't seem to see anyway. But yeah. But other than a lamp that doesn't work, what do we have in here? we have our normal cupboards, so yeah, more storage. Now I know what you're thinking, get to the bathroom. We're going to get to the bathroom now, but like I said, I can't find a light switch. So let me show you what I mean. So we have a few switches here, but if I click on this one, nothing happens. If I click on this one, nothing happens. This one, nothing. I've just had a realization. I haven't put the card in here. I feel like an absolute idiot. There you go. So I'm guessing the lamps do work. Shall we find out? There we go. They work fine. For a moment, I was getting worried, but you're probably thinking, Matt, you're an idiot, and I would agree. So I do apologise. But for now, let's go and check out the bathroom and see what's involved. So first and first, I don't know about you, but this kind of looks like Dracula, like almost like a coffin-shaped mirror, which is interesting. We do have the amenities that we need. So we have soaps, we have bath gels, hand and body lotion, shampoo and conditioner. We have our tissues. We have a cool lamp. We have a crack. Other than that, not too shabby. Correct me if I'm wrong, but is that mould? That's not the good kind either, to be fair. The bathtub has seen better days. It's got, looks like dried paint or some yellowy marks and stuff. But yeah, don't know what that is. Shower's quite small. We have a towel rack to keep your towels warm. Fair enough. And then very old-fashioned looking weird nail flusher. It's quite literally like a screw. It's literally that at the end of a toilet flush. But it works. It's interesting. And we have 2 bog rolls and a bin. Oh, sorry, 3 bog rolls. Happy days. Splash out. Oh, coming out of the bathroom, we do have a fan. So happy days. When you get hot, pop that open. So the Basingstoke Country Hotel, how did I find it? Honestly, from the outside, it looks very impressive. It looks very warming, it's very comforting, and it's very homely. The staff as well greeted me very nicely in reception, which was very nice. Check-in was quite easy. I did arrive quite early, but they allowed me to check in at 3:30 as opposed to 4, so happy days. I didn't know what room I was going to get, but I was very pleasantly surprised with the double room. Yeah, there's some marks and stains and things like that around. I don't know if it's mold in the bathroom, not too sure. But other than that, it's a lot nicer than some of the other Britannia hotels that I've been in, so can't complain. The hotel itself, yeah, it's dated again in some areas, but then again, it is an older hotel. But other than that, I really like it. I love where it is as well. The fact that you can just go out on a sunny day and have a cup of tea or a coffee or some food and just sit in that courtyard area or just out on the grass and the lawn. And there's like almost like a walkway as well, which I'm pretty sure you can explore some woods, or there's a public footpath or something. It looks very nice. So the question on your lips, how much did I pay? I paid, again, a grand total of £47. I was going to pay an extra £10 to an early check-in, but they hadn't had the room ready yet, so that was completely fine. So yeah, not a bad price for one night. If you like this video, you'll like this one as well, where I visit another worst rated hotel. But in the meantime, go ahead and hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up. It helps more than you know, and I'll catch you on the next video. Have a fantastic day.